So hi everyone, this is your Dr. Arul. So today we'll be decoding the next Gazette that has been released today. So point number 1, next is going to happen in 2 steps, step 1 and step 2, and it is probably going to happen in this year of November. Point number 2, NEET PG is going to happen. So interns, post-interns, chronic aspirants, FMG cleared people, please take note of this, utilize this might be your last NEET PG. Point number 3, next step 1. So it is going to happen twice a year. Yeah, it will have 6 papers and you have to pass in all 6 papers individually. That is, you have to take more than 50% in each of the paper. If you fail in just 1 or 2 papers, you can rewrite those 1 and 2 papers and then move on to your internship through your supplementary exams. In case if you have failed more than 3 papers, you have to rewrite all 6 papers again. I know it is tough. Coming to reattempts and improvisation, for PG counseling, only the last attempted sum aggregate will be taken for PG counseling. None of the others. You can't say that take my first attempt medicine marks, second attempt surgery marks and come in with my third marks. No, that is not gonna happen for your PG counseling. Only the last attempt aggregate will be taken. If you are trying to reattempt or improvise your score, you have to study all 6 subjects to get a better mark. Point number 4, next step 2 is also happening twice a year. It is going to test your clinical knowledge, case-based scenario questions, viva verse, all that are going to happen. It is having 7 subjects, same like step 1. You have to reattempt the whole 7 subjects if you fail more than 3. Type of questions, pattern of questions and must know topics, all that will be discussed in next reel. So do follow me for more next updates.